In this lesson, we will find solutions of a system of two equations and two unknowns using matrix row operations. Let's solve the system of equations x plus 2y equals 5 and 2x plus 2y equals 6 by, first of all, writing the system of equations as an augmented matrix. We will have row 1 in our matrix 1, 2, 5 and row 2, 2, 2, 6. We will next use row operations to convert the matrix into row echelon form. And I have a guide I go by here. The first thing I want is a 1 in row 1, column 1, followed by a 0 in row 2, column 1, followed by a 3 in row 2, column 2. So I can see in this matrix I already have a 1 in row 1, column 1. The next thing I want to do is try to get a 0 right below that. So to get a 0 in row 2, column 1, I will take my old row 2 and add to it negative 2 times row 1. That will give me a 0 here. So let's see. So I have row 2, which is 2, 2, 6. If I take negative 2 times row 1, that will be negative 2, negative 4, negative 10. I'll add these together and get 0, negative 2, negative 4, and replace row 2 with 0, negative 2, negative 4. Then moving on, we can see our next goal is to change this negative 2 here into a 1 in row 2, column 2. So I can multiply row 2 by negative 1/2. And I will then have a row 2 of 0, 1, 2. And now the matrix is in row echelon form. So I'll go from there to solve. Starting with the lowest row and working up, write each row as an equation, substituting as necessary to solve the system of equations. So let's see. We'll start with the lowest row here. So our lowest row has 0, 1, 2 in it. And I can rewrite that as y equals 2. And then, so we've solved for y. Y will be equal to 2 in our solution. Moving up to the first row, I have x plus 2y equals 5. And then I can replace the y here with 2. So I will have x plus 2 times 2 equals 5, resulting in x equals 1. My solution for this system of equations will be the ordered pair 1, 2. Try on your own. Solve the system of equations using row operations. And the system is x plus 2y equals 5, negative 2x plus 3y equals 11.